Hey everybody, it's Rolling the Reel from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is Wednesday, October 19, 2022. This is US 30 Dow Jones. All right, great day in the markets today. Even though it looked like it didn't move much, it was great amount of points, easy order flow. We'll just jump right into it here. Let me go to a daily chart real quick here. So this is today's candle right below my cursor, this one right here. And price opened up, came up, came down, then came back up and settled here. Price ended up coming back for that gap that was in between this candle, which was Monday, and this Tuesday candle. All right, let's go into so no real movement above here, and we did get some movement below here. So sort of in an internal range. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. All right, so this is today's opening candle, 6 p.m. yesterday. Price rallied up, took out that high in Asia, came back up and took that high, then broke down. Now we got into midnight, getting in, started sinking closer to London. Price broke again. Then we got this high here. Price rallied up in the middle of the night, 5 in the morning Eastern time. Then started breaking down again and took out this low. See this low right here? And we have this low, and then we have this gap that's here. So as you see, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can see that the gap was here, and price yesterday took it out, but didn't fully take it out, because if you look, we still have some space in between here. Yeah, I know that's minute, but believe it or not, the algorithm came down, partially took it out, and then sets it up to create a big liquidity pool under here, because now you have this low, you have this low, you have this low. So there's money sitting here, people buying and holding this support level. So coupled with the remaining gap, you have this demand block here, possibly, and then taking out these lows. This was the objective. So price came down, broke the structure of this low. Didn't take out this low, which I thought it would, but that's fine, because that was enough for me to know that I was looking for buys. Because I have this beautiful high just sitting here, just screaming liquidity above here. So I jumped in and took these buys here, took it all the way up, right above this high. Bodies didn't close above. I knew that was a liquidity grab and that we were going to start looking for sells. I waited for price to break down here, then come back up, break down, come back up. And this was beautiful sells here. So let me go into a smaller time frame so you can really see it. I was like amazed how amazing order flow happened today. It was just so easy. It was like a total of 600 points. I mean, gaining today. It was just great. So here's that low. Here's the gap. So price broke up above this high right here. And then that was telling me to come back into this demand block. Look how perfect that is. You see this? Look at this. Comes right back into that demand block. Took the buy, instant profit, coming up. Then 9:30 came out, candle took it high, came back down aggressively, trying to get people out, but I knew it was coming back into this demand block here, right above my cursor here, this yellow candle here, right above there. Smack that. Look at that. Took off, stops below the low, previous low, and my objective was to come and take out this high. Price rallied out perfectly, took that high, Then I was looking for sells. So price broke here, came back up, and I could have took this sell here, but I wanted more confirmation. So price then broke down more, came back up. I was waiting for it to come back into a supply block, which was this candle right here. So what did it do? Look, came right to it, smacked it at the open. Bodies never went up, and then sold off. So then new lower low, broke here, so lower low, lower high, lower low, and it just kept sinking down. And I knew that we were gonna take out this gap. Look how many times it tested the gap, right? So look, 1, 2, 3, and then finally completed the objective going through it. And I did not catch the, I was gonna take this buy, but I didn't need any more trades. This was a beautiful day. I mean, if you look at the amount of points here from where my cursor is to the right, you see it says 30, 375, all the way up to here. That's 300 points. That's 30, it says 3670, we'll just say 75 for the hell's sake. So 300 points this way. I caught another one here for another 200 something. This was 500 some points right there. And then from here, the best trade of all, this was, look at 3627, got out here, what do you call it? About 350 points. So 350, 500 something, it's like almost 800 points today. And just this small movement, when people are waiting for swing trades, trying to get 1,000 points, when I did that in a mediocre day, right? But it's because the skill set, I'm knowing where it's going. I knew that we were coming down here. Once I saw that, I took the buy. I knew we were going to take out this high. It could have kept going, but once I saw the hesitation and once I saw the wicks and all that, taking out this high, I could see then it breaking down, being patient, waiting for the break, coming back to that. It held, didn't break through it, and really beautiful day. I'm good for the week, to be honest. But yeah, this was today's breakdown. Hope this helps. And just so you know, this is super game I'm giving you guys for free. Now, specifics on as far as entering and different things, when to look for this, how to look for this, it's in my private mentorship group. So if you want to apply for that, feel free. Otherwise, the game I'm giving for free here is amazing. No teachers are out here doing that. A couple that I know, but that's very rare. So, all right. I hope this helps. Take care. God bless.